Hey guys, Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Ram, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2019 Ram 2500 Limited, so let's take a look. Up at the front of this one, you have your color match bumpers. They do have the built-in park sensors as well as your chrome tow hooks with your fog lights. Your chrome grille on this one, and it does have one of your 360 cameras on the front. Coming underneath the hood, you're going to have the 6.7 liter Cummins. On the side of this one, you're going to have your 20-inch black rims, flip-up tow mirrors, proximity entry. This one also has your power running boards. You have RamBoxes on this one, as well as your tonneau cover. And then coming into the back, you're going to have color match bumpers with your built-in park sensors. Your setup for towing on this one, 4 and 7 pin wiring and your hitch receiver. Your backup camera right here. This one is a soft drop tailgate. It also has your spray and bed liner and your bed utility group. And now we're going to check out the front. Up at the front of this one, you have your lighter colored leather seats. They are heated as well as cooled. You're going to have a heated steering wheel as well in this one. You have tons of storage in your 2 center consoles. You also have your sliding cup holder. You can customize it to any setting you want. It also has a little bit of additional storage in it. You have 2 glove boxes up at the front. And then you're going to have your 12-inch touchscreen. It does come equipped with your navigation, as well as you can view all your cameras. So you can see your backup camera, your cargo camera, and then your 2 side views. You can also control your heated seat, your cooled seat, and your heated wheel. This one has your trailer brake control. It has airbags, tow haul mode, and an exhaust brake. It also comes with all of your auxiliary switches, and you have the option to turn on and off your park sensors. You have USBs, USB-Cs, and an aux cord, as well as a CD player on this one. You have your 4-wheel low, 4-wheel high, and your 2-wheel drive. On the steering wheel itself, you're going to have your hands-free buttons and your cruise control buttons, and this one does have your adaptive cruise control. You have flip-in mirrors on this one, so it's just a push of a button. They will fold in and out. This one also has your universal garage door opener, your power sliding rear window, and a sunroof. And now we're going to check out the back. In the back of this one, you're going to have your heated rears. You also have an armrest that folds out. It's got 2 cup holders as well as 2 more cup holders in the middle. You have some storage in the back of your seat pockets as well as underneath your floor mat. There's some bins. Lifting up your seats, you're going to have a sub on that side, some extra storage on this side, as well as both pieces fold flat down on either side. If you want to make this truck yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.